Yo, what is going on, everybody? Today we're gonna be backtesting the Mech model, so we're gonna get right into this. I'm gonna be backtesting my Mech model with 70 to 80% win rate, and yeah, what's it called? I was gonna record this video yesterday, so I kind of already took a trade, but pretty sure this one got stopped out anyway. I think I don't know. I don't know. Here, I'll just restart everything. I was gonna make this video yesterday, and then I forgot I had a little bit of a compromise somewhere. And then I was like, oh shit, like, I was literally just started recording and I got a call. I was like, oh fuck. So, yeah, let's get right into this. Think, I think it's this day or not. No, or am I already as far away possible? Oh, never mind. I'm already. Wait, what? I'm so confused. Wait, guys, I'm not cheating. I'm actually trying to find Monday. Bro, what? Where do I find this? Okay, wait. I got it. I'll hop on like what? Monday 9:30. Right there. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's get right into this. Let's see what we can do here. So far, I'm a little sick, guys. I see 15-minute equal highs with previous day highs up there. So alright, probably gonna be looking for some longs here. I'm trading within a 15-minute gap. But I want to see us sweep. We have this sell side. We need to sweep 15-minute sell side. You have another 15-minute sell side. We have a lot of bro. We have a lot of lows down here. Yeah, we have a low. I mean, if we could take out these lows, we also have 1 hour equal, relative equal lows down here though. So I'm gonna be. Let me look at the bearish rally gaps on the 4 hour. We inverse the bullish. It's a bullish gap. We're in a bullish 4 hour. It looks like we're about to make a bullish. Bro, I don't know. Let's see. We have a daily for value gap, or we have a daily bearish for value gap over here. So I might be leaning a little bit more bearish. This wick right here made it. Yeah, 1 hour. I mean, we are within 1 hour bearish Peter raise. I'm just gonna let market open rip and see what happens off of it. But this looks like some good juice action, especially if you get like a CISD right here. And you get like this inversion with a CISD. This is not bad. Alright, we just made like a 930 wick. Alright, we just made a 930 wick. So now I'm definitely gonna be looking for longs at some point today. Okay, now we just dumped down. We just took out all of my took out all the lows I wanted to see get taken out. We took out previous day lows as well. So we have these October lows right here with these 1 hour relative equal lows that I really want to see us get hit. Would really like to see us get hit, but we might manipulate upwards now. I don't know. We're still really close to them, but I really don't like to take a trade against like such big of a draw on liquidity like that. But checking the 4 minute. All right, we have a 4 minute. We can get a calm little 4 minute here. All right, we had good displacement. Inverse the 2 minute. All right, I'm gonna take this. 251, and then this is definitely my first draw, but I'm gonna leave a runner up until, do you have like an unfiltered value gap I can target? Yeah, we do. My R is gonna be a little bit skewed, so I need to like adjust my stop. Oh shit, I need to adjust my stop. All right, it's gonna be something like it's gonna be like this. All right, this is what we're doing. All right, let's hop right in. This is gonna be the first trade of the day. Honestly, could leave it to the 15-minute equal lows, but I'm just gonna take my 101. 101 gives you like the highest win rate for the strategy. And let me make sure everything's running smoothly. Yeah. Alright, come on, let's go. Alright, break even would have been like Where would I go break even at? I go break even off of honestly, this is the 930 wick would have been my break even, but I'm targeting that fill gap. So there really is no break even point in this trade. It's kind of more just like a straight draw. All right, there we go. All right, that's some pretty choppy delivery, not gonna lie. But first win. Hello. Journal market. There we go. All right, let's go to the next day in New York session. Yo, my biceps are fucking killing me so bad, bro. All right, let's hop in. Let me just delete all these other drawings. I don't want to see them. All right, we're at the next day. Oh, I marked out some SMT. Maybe it's a daily SMT or something. Let's check on the daily chart here on the S. Oh yeah, we had SMT. Ooh, we had SMT. Yeah, we had SMT at these well, if you guys can see, we had SMT at like these. Yeah. Yeah, so we're trading within a daily bullish SMT. Okay, cool. Take the 4 hour. Bullish value gap inverse. Alright, cool. Pretty choppy delivery. Alright, but we tapped into this 4 hour gap. It looks like we're respecting this 4 hour gap, so we're gonna have to probably manipulate downwards, and I definitely want to see us manipulate somewhere before displacing up if we're truly gonna be bullish here. But like right here, I like these draws. We have London lows right here. Wait, sorry, Asia. We have Asia lows right there. We have untapped London lows there too. Probably, and we have previous day lows, so I'll probably want to see all this liquidity get ran through. I mean, it depends unless we run it to the upside, because we have previous day highs there. All right, looks like we're gonna come out, take previous day highs first. All right, cool. Do I have any levels over here? Other than, I mean, I see this 15-minute. Where's my thing at? All right, you see this 15-minute here? I mean, I guess I see this 15-minute. What the? Okay, there we go. All right. Do I see a 5-minute? Yeah, there's like a 5-minute up here. Okay, cool. Do I have my fib tool? My fib tool at? Yeah, but fib retracement. All right. My favorite, brother, fib retracement on this. I don't have any settings, so it's gonna be so ass. Dude, this shit's ass. All right. Let me see this again. Looks like we're getting clear rejection. All right, clear rejection off the standard deviation. All right. Bam, perfect. All right. Cool. Now I'm looking for some shorts. I'm looking for us to tap into some shorts. 3-minute, 4-minute. All right, cool. Ideally, I want to see us close below this 4-minute. Let's see what happens here. I feel like this placement is weak. Yeah, never mind. This is not a good inversion setup. We're not gonna take this. I would take it though if we like swept this high inside of it though. If we like swept this high and then like I could see a re-entry there. This is just chop. Nah, I wouldn't trade this. All right. Shit delivery. We did go up, but we just kind of chopped around. So next day. Unprobable conditions. No point trading those. If you try to trade something like that, if you try to trade like a weak inversion that like takes like 8 candles to inverse, bro, like that's not gonna give you a good delivery. It's gonna chop around. It's gonna be shit. You're not actually. It's probably not even gonna deliver to the draw. So it's kind of more discretionary, but cool. Let's see what we have here. We have resting London highs above. All right, cool. I want to see London highs get taken. Hop on the 5-minute. Relative equal highs. Oh my god, we still have those equal highs I wanted to target from a long time ago. Yeah, I think I'm gonna target these relative equal highs on the 1-minute. So overall, I'm looking a little bit bullish. We are within a bearish 1-hour gap, but it looks like we inverse this. Okay, but it looks like we failed like this inversion, like 1 hour, like failed. Let's see. And we had 4-hour bullish for value gap right here getting respected. So I think we're literally just going to run through this gap. We're probably just gonna run through this gap to those external draws. But alright, bet. Look, we have bro. We have literally a perfect sandwich right here too. This is literally could not get better. So what am I gonna look for? I'm gonna look for a bullish value gap. I'm gonna look for a tap back into this bullish value gap. Yeah, let's see what happens. I'm gonna look for a retracement on this bullish value gap. If we just shoot up, though, we shoot up. Alright, we shot up. Did we take my equal lows? My equal highs, sorry. Looks like we took the equal highs. Alright. Damn, that's unfortunate. Alright, cool. Looks like we had some clear rejection off a level. We tapped into the first 15-minute value gap over here. I don't know if that lines, though. Yeah, that does align. Boom, right there. I probably missed the move. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. I skipped through a little bit. But look, we have this bearish 15-minute. Eagle lows. Bam. So right there. Do we have any low resistance liquidity? No, but we have LRL. Where do we have LRL? We have all of this low resistance liquidity here. Need to be swept out. We have all of this low resistance liquidity here that needs to be swept out. All right, cool. So we have really good targets to the downside. Let's check. There's a 1 minute. We need a 2 minute, 3 minute. All right, cool. I'm gonna take it off the 3 minute. Actually, no, the 2 minute probably. I think 2 minutes gonna be the most probable. Boom, right there. That's our entry. This is the inversion. It's the inversion we're gonna take. And then this is the 15-minute gap we kind of took off of. Wow, that was some clean rejection off the gap too. All right, cool. And then right here we're gonna hop in the entry. It's gonna be a short. I don't like that we have like those relative equal highs up there though. I don't know why, that kind of creeps me out. But we're gonna take it to this 5 minute. We're gonna take it to that 5 minute. All right, but let's hop in the trade. Oh, where's my break even? I'm going break even at this 5 minute bullish gap. Straight delivery. Boom, perfect. All right, next New York session. Get this 15-minute gap away from me. Same with this. All right. Next day comes around. Wow, we shot straight up after that. All right. This looks like it's gonna be a shit market open. We're at all-time. Oh, we're at all-time highs now. All right, we're at all-time highs. All right, this is all-time highs trading. All-time highs trading, guys. All right, let's basically bias is automatically bullish, and we're just looking to take a retracement of a bullish gap that we make. So let's see right there. That's if we have a retracement to this bullish gap, then we're good. So I guess it's just the waiting game. All right, we have another bullish gap up there that we are retracing to. Okay. All right. Bet. Cool. We have a bullish gap here. Equal highs, all-time highs. This is a relatively simple trade. This is all-time high right here. And this, we have equal highs literally right there sitting next to it. So we're just going to run through it. So cool. Look, he might be like a 30-second inversion time. Yeah. All right, we swept all the 15-minute intermediate lows. Wow. I had to get off a retest. I had to get in off a retest because I did not take that. All right. Boom, right there, displacement. Oh, we have those relative equal lows right there. Stop. My stop's gonna be a little bit wider. It's gonna be like right here. It's gonna be 116. This is definitely very discretionary because the right trade would have been to take it off of like this displacement up here, but I wanted to see like this displacement like off the second candle, which is why I didn't take it. But I mean, we had good draws, so I look shopped in the trade. Maybe a little bit less risk though. Alright, bet right there. Let's roll. Break even all-time highs. Alright, boom. Boom, that worked out. Alright, that worked out. So far, we went through this whole week with almost 100% win rate. Let's go on to Friday, though. Moving on to Friday. Let's see what I have here. Make sure everything's working. Yeah, everything's working. Alright. Alright, we're trading within a 1 hour bearish gap. We're making a 4 hour bullish gap. We inverse this bearish gap. Okay, it looks like we're, I don't know if we're displacing down. We're at all-time highs, and we have equal highs up there, so I'm going to be pretty, I want to be relatively bullish. Do we have any, like, bullish Peter Ray sending us higher? I hope so. Yeah, we do. We tapped into this gap. We tapped right into this gap, and then boom, boom, boom. So I'm going to take the first 5 minute to 15 minute. Oh my god, there is no first 15 minute. Alright, bet, cool. So we're going to take the first 5 minute gap, and I want to see us tap back into it and have a continuation up. So I'm looking for us to rebalance, unless we just shoot straight up. Okay. Yep. I'm going to stay waiting, because if we go back into this bullish gap, then I am for sure taking a pretty heavy entry in. Unless we're just chopping. Bro, we're just chopping. This is some shit price action. Next day. Yeah, we never even ended up hitting the draw. It's funny. Alright, we're pretty bullish. I mean, we literally had new day opening gap fill at like already all-time highs. So we're pretty much in all-time highs. We swept the all-time high with London highs. Do I have any LRL? Alright, let's see what I have to target, right? Because it looks like we're delivering. Looks like we're delivering from sell side. Looks like we're delivering from the sell side. Looks like we were in a buy market model, and then we switched into a sell market model. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're going to be a little bit more bearish, especially with all these equal lows. And we have all this trend line liquidity up here, bro. Or do we? I mean, I guess. Not really. Not really, but like, I guess. Let me see. Oh, never mind. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We do. We have LRL. Yeah, we do. I'd name this LRL. Alright, bet. We have LRL. We have new day opening at fill. This could be a pretty good chance to catch a really good entry. I just need to see like a continuation, like, which we lucky had right here, right off market open, if I'm gonna be honest. But that's kind of, I mean, we had CISD. We have CISD. Alright, cool. Let's see what we have here. We have a CISD. Or not even, because it's not even changed in delivery now. This would be a CISD here. A close above this be a CISD. We equal lows there. I mean, let me just skip. Let's just skip a little bit. But like withdrawals I'm looking at. Oh my god, we opened so bearish. What the hell? Yo, what is going on with my FX replay right now? Guys, what the hell? But get this link thing off me, bro. Bro, what is happening? Alright, looks like we just swept all this. Not even. Did we have SMT? Do we have a bullish SMT here? Yep, on yes. 4 hour. Okay, 5 minutes, sorry. We had SMT. Yeah, we had a little bit of an SMT here. Yeah, we had a little bit of an SMT. Nothing too major though, but look. Here we go, finally. Yeah, that bearish gap. I mean, I don't know. We have another bearish gap up here. But if we get all the way up there, we're probably just going to run through it. I don't know. Let me hop on the 1 minute. I mean, this could be some, I don't know. We'll just wait. We'll just wait to see what it is. Oh my god, choppy market open. It's going to take out the draws. Alright, bam, we manipulated down. Could we look for some PEI maybe? Alright, but all my draws got taken out right off market open rip, so like, do I have any other draws I can like use? I mean, we took out all the lowest liquidity. We have this previous day lows that I'm probably gonna aim for. But there needs to be a retrace. If we take out the draw right off bat, I'm looking for longs. What's this low? Friday, 6 a.m. Could have a pretty big SMT here. Whoa, we could have a pretty big SMT here. I need to see this level get taken out though. Oh, it's way past my trading hours anyway. So yeah, I guess we just dumped. Dumped with no retrace. Oh well, no worries. We took out the previous day. Alright, we're in a buy market model. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Damn, bruh. No 5 minute gaps opening up. This looks terrible. This looks like terrible price action. Alright, we tapped into this 5 minute. Oh, bro, not even, bro. We in versus 5 minute before. Gang, this is the worst BA. This is some shit BA. This is some bad BA, yo. I mean, I guess we're still like bullish off of this, but no entrant. Like, I don't see much, to be honest. I don't see any clear levels we can use. Maybe some. Nah, we're so bullish though. I'm not gonna take trades. I mean, we're probably gonna be bullish towards like these highs. Let's take this high. Bam, right there. We took that high out. But this is pretty choppy. Not gonna lie. I don't see anything I like here. Alright, we see ISD. Dude, this is a pretty confusing market open. Not gonna lie. This looks kind of choppy. Alright, what the fuck? Whoa, how did that happen? We don't even have any levels over here. And dude, I'm not gonna lie. This is just chop, if you ask me. Yep. No trade day. No trade day. Just want to check the journal out for now. Alright, so far, it's only taken 3 trades this month. Because we're avoiding bad price action. Remember, guys, we're avoiding bad price action. Alright. Only taking 3 trades this month. We're at 100% win rate. I mean, really and truly, like, what I've realized in the last coming days, like, dude, you shouldn't be trading every single day, bro. Like, I feel like just the probabilities like just get so much lower. Like when you're like, bro, I was like trading chop. It was Wednesday. I was trading chop, and I went pretty heavy size. Not gonna lie. I was stopped out, and then it just re-sweeps that high that I entered off where my stop loss was, and then it goes down. And I'm like, bruh, like. Don't get me wrong. I took the re-entry. But it's just like, dude, like then, like, wow, like, you know what I'm saying? And it's like conditionally, like it's not like there's anything wrong with the entry. It was literally just bad conditions and bad price action. Okay. 5 minute bullish gap. Whoa, did we have data highs or something? Yeah, we had data highs. Oh, we had CPI. Oh my god, we have data lows. I love data wicks. Data lows, 1 out, 1 equal lows, holy. All right, so what am I looking for market open to do right off the bat? What am I looking for market open to do? I'm looking for market open to take these lows, right? So what am I going to do here? I'm taking a CISD entry. I'm about to take a CISD entry with a tight stop probably. I'm probably right off market open. If I see a draw this close to market open, the probabilities we take it are extremely high. Like let's be honest, the probabilities we take it are extremely high. So I mean, you can call it whatever you want, but if I see this and I know we're gonna deliver right down to his draw, I'm going to be so confident in it, and I'm gonna take this like any day of the week. So let's check the 1 minute. Especially let's see if I get some additional confluences. That's maybe like an SMT here. Okay, no SMTs. Okay, cool. All right, this is the trade I'm gonna take. Oh, why is this negative risk reward? Right there. This is the trade I'm gonna take. Is this risky now? Yes, it is, but this is not even like really a mech model. This is more just discretionary. Like I use like, the same set of similar set of confluences. So yeah, this isn't exactly mech model, but I mean literally let's look at it though. Let's look at it though. Here we tapped into a bearish 5 minute. Same thing here. Okay, look. We're in a bearish 5 minute. Pretty sure we already manipulated up into that 15 minute. Okay, no, not even. We haven't even made a 15 minute. Cool. We have this bearish 5 minute. We're trading inside of it. We're clearly getting displacement outside of it. It's more a discretionary thing. I'm pretty confident drawing liquidity, of course. And if we're gonna take the draw liquidity now, this trade's gonna hit. If not, then we're gonna take it out later, and I'm just not gonna worry about it. All right, looks like I might get stopped out. Oh my god, market open shenanigans. Oh my god, we took it out. That's more a discretionary trade. Of course, bro, dude, this is why I hate market open. Like, bro, oh my god, look at this chop. Look at the chop of the chop of the chop, the chop of the chop. But yeah, I was just confident in my draw liquidity. Once you like build your discretion and you're really good with your draws and liquidity and you know where the market's gonna go, then really truly it's just about finding an entry model that gets you there. Personally, I love Mech model though. Like 99% of the trades I take are Mech model, but when I see a data low, like I love data wicks because they're so like free draws of liquidity. They're just such strong draws. So like when I hop on the chart, I don't see like we're 30 points, we're 25 points away from this data wick. We're gonna hit it before we do anything, right? So you see right here, we hit the data wick, and then, blah blah. So right there, that's not exactly Mech model. That's more a discretionary thing. But let's keep going. 1 minute equal highs. 15 minute equal highs. All right, cool. So my draws are on the upside. We're trading within a 15 minute bullish gap. Cool. I want to see this sell side. I want to see this sell side get manipulated down and swept before we go higher. So that's what I'm looking for already right off the bat. Whoa, did you have data wicks here? Oh my god. No, we didn't. Wait, no, we didn't. For some reason, we didn't leave a data wick. I mean, I guess we did. Like, we left the data high here, but like, bro, not even. Alright, cool. We're gonna manipulate up there. Alright, bet. Sweep of data highs. We just had a 1 minute inversion for value gap. I'm taking this trade right here. This is the trade I'm taking. Oh shit, what the? Alright, bet. It's pretty choppy price action, so I'm gonna take this trade. I'm gonna take it down to I would take it down to that unfilled to my sell side level here, but I'm just gonna take the 1-1. And then yeah, let's get right into it. Although, not gonna lie, I don't really want to use a tighter stop here though. So I don't want to see us come back. It's just like chop. It's like the price action just, yeah, to be honest, to give this trade the best for him to work with, I'm just gonna do that. So again, my significant liquidity sweep is data highs, and we are also trading within this 5 minute bearish for value gap. So 5 minute bearish for value gap, sweep data highs. We did leave those equal. Oh, we did leave some significant equal highs though. So I'm gonna go break even pretty early. I'm going to go break even at like this internal low. Cause oh my god. So right here we have equal highs above us. So what are the probabilities of the setup working? Not that well. The probabilities of the setup just dropped so much. Okay, never mind. Ooh, we got it. All right, right there. Literally, all you have to do is understand draw liquidity, and we literally went right into sell side. So this trade worked out perfect. Like we're already up 4.5k. We're up 4.5k in the month of November 2024 already. I'm gonna finish up this week before I let y'all go. This is literally just free sauce for you guys. Not gonna lie, so free. Oh, never mind. We literally have one more day for the week. All right. But so far, you would have gotten your payout already. Like, you would have gotten 1K payout on multiple accounts, and you would now have like a 3.5K buffer. Like, well, what could you ask for? And then I would look size up if I was in that position too. Like once you get to that position, oh my god, we have so much equal highs above previous day highs. Oh my god, I'm so bullish. Oh, never mind. Maybe we're tapping into a daily bullish rally gap. Yeah, I was right. We're tapping into a daily. We're probably gonna go down to like the standard deviation. Oh my god, I hate these ugly fib tool settings. All right, we still have some more to go. We still have some more to go. We probably have like a 1 hour there or something. All right, once we hit this level, I'm gonna look for rejection up. But for now, I think we're gonna continue dumping. We had data. We had data wicks. Oh, never mind. We had data wicks. Whoa. Yeah, we are so bullish. Look at these perfect data highs right here. Oh my god, I love data wicks. Perfect data highs. Literally just sitting there waiting for us to come up and take them out. We need to switch from a buy market model though. Okay, boom, perfect. We're gonna manipulate down. All right, looks like that. Wait, that looks like that me, baby, the area rejection. So let's look on the 1 hour. Oh, I just picked the wrong 1 hour. That's why. Okay, no 1 hour, 4 hour. We're completely displacing outside of this 4 hour too. First presented 15-minute probably. Yeah. Oh my god, yeah, you guys remember? First presented for value gap. I marked way earlier. Way back when. Right there it is. This is how much you guys want to bet this is the area rejection we're getting right now. It's not. Whoa. Let me check yes then. Why like an SMT or something? I don't know. Check hop on the 4 hour. Let me hop on the 4 hour. What did ES take that NQ didn't? Well, ES for one starters ran all its low resistance liquidity. Did NQ run LRL? No, we didn't. Oh yeah, we did. Definitely just had a big imbalance, but like, I mean, to be honest, I know I'm waiting for the rejection, but it's probably one of these bullish gaps up here. Yeah, to be honest, you guys, I couldn't be able to tell you. Guys, so I'm not gonna take this trade. Even though that does look like it'll be the area rejection. Yeah, okay, never mind. We're gonna manipulate down. Boom, right there. Perfect. Finally, might get an entry here. Although low-key continuation shorts term bad for this day, but I'm overall looking for bullish. Oh my god, we inversed this. Wow. Alright. I have no idea where the market's going this day, so dude, looks like it's just a dump day, so we're not gonna touch it. Preserving your capital is so important, like for real. On a real note, like you need to be preserving your capital, you need to be staying out of improbable trading conditions. So if it's literally just a dump day with like basically no retraces, like why are you trading that, bro? Like come on, man. Anyways, these are gonna be the final results for the back test for today. We ended up getting 100% win rate. Obviously, it's very discretionary, so your results might not look the same. You need to build that discretion, so you need to be back testing. If you want to use FX Replay, I'll leave a code down below. You guys can get it for pretty cheap, like I think like $20. I think it'll be so $20 rather than $35. Should be pretty good. And then yeah, this is the back testing results of 2 weeks. So we had 4 trading days. Oh, sorry, we had 5 trading days, and yeah. 5 trading days, 5 winning days, and 5 winning trades. And yeah, that's how it goes. If you guys have any more questions about the Mech model, you guys can join my free Discord and ask me up, or you guys can just leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to answer any questions you have. But in my free Discord, I have been running live trading on Kick, and I will be doing live back testing, and I'm always in the chat, very active, answering questions and posting my daily buys every single day before market open. So you can check it out completely free. If not, just hit me up a like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll definitely be doing an update on the back test session sometime very soon. Peace out, y'all.